What's up, you guys?
Hello.
Y'all, I've got a real special guest with me today. And we have some people in the background that you'll probably hear, no doubt, within this video. But y'all, this is my Aunt Julie. Y'all, she's actually extremely crafty. And I say actually, but y'all, I've showed her like I've showed Damon her wreath, and he's like, damn, that's really good. So I convinced her that she should go live and make a wreath. Y'all, she doesn't have a business page.
Yeah, she don't sell.
She does not sell, even though she really, really should. So we did grab some Christmas stuff. We just got a bunch of Christmas stuff in on decoexchange.com, you guys. So there's that. We got a 21-inch mesh. We got a 10-inch mesh. And we have a few different 2.5-inch and 1.5-inch ribbons. Julie, you're doing something with the 21-inch first, and then you're going over with the 10-inch?
Yep. We're going to do some little ruffles with the 10-inch.
Some little ruffles. We also grabbed one of these signs from the warehouse as well.
Wow. Yeah.
So are you going to do these ruffles all the way?
We're going to go all the way around.
Okay. On the top and the bottom?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Is it more of like a hobby you like to make for your family?
Yes, it is just a hobby. Just something I like to do. Yeah.
But y'all, she makes really good wreaths.
Oh.
She makes really good wreaths. You'll see. She wanted to learn how to use the Easy Bow Maker. And at first I was like, oh yeah, I can teach her how to do that because, I wasn't really thinking. And then I realized she actually wanted to learn how to use it. So I think Damon's going to pop on in a few and kind of show her some of the tips and tricks for using the Easy Bow Maker. So you're just kind of poofing out the poofs now?
Yeah, I know people do it as they go, but I don't.
It's already looking pretty thick.
See, I'm not good about telling y'all what I'm doing, so that's why I got Parker.
Yeah, that's fine. Y'all know we like to just hang out and make wreaths and kind of pop in some information every once in a while. Did you do the inside first or the outside first?
I did the inside.
You did the inside first? So now we moved over to a 10-inch mesh. She's cutting them 20 inches. How many of these did you cut, Julie?
We're supposed to have 18. I do have one of those rooms.
So now she's just doing a little ruffle?
Yeah, a little ruffle, I guess you'll call it. I'm telling y'all, I'm used to being at my kitchen table. Yeah.
So y'all, nothing crazy exciting happening here. She's just going around and putting the ruffles in each of the twist ties. Do we do something for beginners? Damon's usually live, usually on weeknights. Some other nights he'll do more teaching as he goes. We also have a YouTube channel that has a lot more tutorials. We have a free blog, but we also have a paid membership where people can really learn how to, if you guys see some of the designs behind it, all of that was in or a part of our membership. If you want to read more about that, you can go to learnfromdamon.com. What's next, Julie?
We're going to put some ribbon tails on here.
So you do the ribbon tails as well in all of the twist ties?
Yeah.
What measurement of the tail board are you using?
14.
14-inch tails? I think that's the standard one for sure. Where do you go for subscription boxes? wreathsupplybox.com. All one word. Did you do 12-inch poofs on both rows?
I did.
Yeah. What size is the wreath form she's using? It's a 15 to 25-inch pencil work form. So they're asking, can you show how you're layering the ribbon?
I'm just putting one on top of the other.
Look, I'll zoom in on your hands so you can show them on the next one.
Oh, okay. That's fine. I just put the smaller one on top of the bigger one. Fold it in half. And then squinch it up in the middle. And then I just kind of fluff it a little bit, I guess. I don't know. And then bend it. You know what?
What?
Do you have like needles? What does this do? I like to put needles and push it through there, but
we have a pick machine.
That
seems a little overkill, huh? We need to hear about this needle situation.
Like a long needle. And run it through the eye, and it goes right through. It's easy. Damon's laughing at me.
What do you usually do, D?
Just go through it? I don't know. I mean, I can get it through.
Did you get it?
Mm-hmm.
Where did you learn how to make wreaths?
Me?
Yeah.
Deco Exchange.
Did you really?
I did. I watched Damon a few times. Yeah.
So it's looking very big, very pretty. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit for you guys so you can see. I think they're gonna make some bows. I'm gonna bow out here because that's not really my area.
Hey y'all. So just grab whichever one you want to start with. Measure out about, well, are you just doing one big bow? Or
One big bow. We want one big bow.
Okay, so measure it between 12 and 16 inches out.
All right, we're good.
I like to twist one before I put it in the bow maker. And then you just put that twist right in between. All right, and then this side up and just measure out about 6.5 to 7 inches.
Twist the same way or the other way?
I'm twisting this way now. Color yellow matter, so. And make another one on the other side.
Twist again or no?
No twist.
No? I don't know.
And I'm just gonna make a big X with it. And do the same thing, just the opposite direction. So this time I do a shorter tail on this side. But we're just gonna keep making that X over and over again. Twist. You have to keep it tight. So same thing you did on the first one. This is the easy part.
Well, when I get done with it, it doesn't
Yeah,
stand up
it's
like yours is going to stand up.
It's the end
I don't know.
piece.
But we're going to learn it today.
It's really shedding.
Do the whole thing?
Yep.
Okay.
And then I'm just going to do one more for a center loop. So I just did a half. With one
Oh,
more
that'd be
color.
cute.
Yeah.
Just a half. So how did you just do the half? Oh, you still do the twist thing though?
Yeah. I just
Okay.
twist
And
one
then just
loop,
put a half. Okay.
and then that's what I ended.
Alright.
Same thing the other one. All right. So we're gonna slide it off first. When I do that, I put my thumb on top of his wrist, and then 2 fingers on each side of the body.
All right.
And then slide your pike finger. Okay. Now you're gonna push down as tight as you can with your thumb,
All right.
and then squeeze it with your hands, and then pull your bow up as you twist. Yes, the problem.
Ah, it's already got.
Yeah. So it's that trick of make sure you pull your bow
Wow.
up as you twist. and it kind of makes the pipe cleaner tighten up.
Crazy. Okay.
Normally, though, if you pull it up as you're tightening it, you won't have to use the zip tie on the back.
That's what I was doing wrong there. Because it ain't never jumped up like that.
So for me, I always put my boat on top of one of the poofs. That way it doesn't sink in. But some people go into the twist, which makes it naturally suck further into their reef.
Parker's Deli, come on down.
Well, we're pretty much done now.
What do y'all think, you guys? What do you think?
I like it.
It's good.
I really like that bow.
It's cute. Yeah. I'm gonna zoom in on this whole thing. What do you guys think? Y'all, that was a pretty quick project too.